Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and let's enter the first code which will open the IMEI info. It is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me enter another code which is actually pretty similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to it we can open regulatory information, so we can check the model of the device, so the exact info, and the SAR levels, so the head and the body of our device. Now let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *#225#*##*#. And here we've got the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic info, which is provided by Google. It is *#426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host port, time connected, and the sign-in level. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further technical details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this option and tap on the status again. And here we've got more info, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code I've prepared for today's video. It is *###. 4636 ####. And here we've got the testing mode, so we can check phone and Wi-Fi info, NFC settings, and usage statistics. So let me show you, for example, phone info and Wi-Fi info. And let's tap on this section, and as you can see, you can check the info just like the phone number, email number, car network, data service, voice network type. Of course, you will be able to check this information if you will have your SIM card inserted. You can here run ping test, just tap on it, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can also view SIM address book or enable data connection. Let's go back and let me show you, as I said, Wi-Fi info. Here it is divided into three another sections, so the API configuration and the status. Let me choose the status, let's refresh the stats, and here we've got the info just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. You can also run ping test here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.